In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create curved text in Figma for logos, badges, and creative designs. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a new canvas. Next, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. This circle will act as the path for your curved text. Now select the text tool and move your cursor over the edge of the circle. Click on the circle's path and type your text. Figma will automatically place the text along the curve of the circle. Once your text appears, adjust the size of the circle to control how curved the text looks. A smaller circle creates a tighter curve, while a larger circle creates a gentler curve. You can also customize the font, size, weight, and color to match your design style. If needed, reposition the text along the path until it sits exactly where you want it. Preview your design and make any final adjustments for spacing and readability. And that's it! You've successfully created curved text in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.